So what I've got here is the ST75 foaming head. Now what you'll see is in the end of it you've got your soap jet, but inside there you'll see in a minute or two is the mesh filter. So if we just simply push the two clips out, the pins, and what we'll simply do is separate it. Now we pull that apart and what you'll see there is this mesh. What can happen is after a period of time is the dirt starts to come in from this side of it down the tube, and it starts to collect the dirt up at the back of it. So all you simply do is don't pick it out, push it out, flip it round the other way, put it back in place, pull the trigger, and within probably 10 seconds you're back up onto full foam again. Put it back together and it's as simple as that. Put your pins back in place and you're up and running. Making sure you don't lose out on that side, but that's how it simply goes together. And that's all you're doing is taking your pins out. There's the mesh. Flip that filter around the opposite direction. Pull the trigger once you put it back in place. When it's all built back up, the dirt that's started to collect up will automatically be at this side and it'll push itself out and off you go. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.